Hi everyone, on today's video I just want to show you how you can use affiliate marketing and Pinterest to make money online, and this way you can create multiple streams of passive income. Follow me. So to get started, you just want to go to Pinterest and create a business account. Once you have created a business account, you'll be able to create your boards. So your boards will be your main interests, let's say. So I created a few boards already in regards to make money online. So I'll be able to put my pins in those boards. So you created your Pinterest account. Now what you want to do, you want to have your affiliate marketing offer. I already have one and I already created a landing page. So to create landing pages, I'm using system.io. System.io includes the autoresponder, and the price is super interesting compared to ClickFunnels. So if you want to use system.io, I'm going to leave a link below and you can just go check it out. It's very interesting price-wise. I already created my landing page for the product I want to promote. It's called Lilu. It's a futures trading company that allows you to trade the stock market with their money. And you have to pass some evaluations. So once you pass the evaluations, they let you use an account where you can literally like win money and withdraw money. So that's what I'm promoting with this offer. So the landing page is created. I've got my link here. Now what I want to do, I want to go to Canva and create my pin for this product. I already created one, but I will do another one so you know exactly how to proceed. Let's say I want to use this template. So I'm going to customize the template. Let's close this one here. Let's put the title of my pin. I'm going to put this. So going back to my Canva. That's done. Now I will delete this and I will delete the one over there and I will delete this also. Here you go. You got that one here. This I don't want. I will change the image behind me. So for this, you go to photos and I'm going to put trading here. I've got a few. Let's put this one. So you're just going to bring it here. Oops. There you go. It's just in the background. Perfect. It looks good to me. You can do whatever you want, be as creative as you want. So once that's done, you will download your image. And after that, you will go to Pinterest. So you want to create a pin. You're going to create your pin. For the title, what I usually do, just put the title that is on your landing page. That makes it easy. Just do that. Put your title, download your photo. Let's find it here. It's here. You can put a quick description for traders willing to trade the stock market without using their own money. Here, I usually put a hashtag. So online business, stock market, trading futures, forex trading traders. and make money online, and I'll put side hustle. So my hashtags are there. And here you will put your link. Here is my link. Pinterest. Here you go. Your link is there. And that's it. Once that's done, you're going to publish and you choose your board. So that's the board I was talking about at the start. So I'm going to put it here, make money online, publish. It's going to publish my pin. And let's see the pin. So that's it. It's done, guys. So every time somebody is going to click your link right here, it's going to take that person to the landing page. And if they buy that product, you make a commission. So I recommend just try to do, I would say 10 pins a day. Make as many as you want and as many as you can. Because the most pins you will have on Pinterest, the more money you can make. So just go with it. You can use ClickBank. You can use Digistore24, Warrior Plus. You have so many other companies where you can use some affiliate products. So just go ahead, do it, and don't forget, if you use ClickBank and Warrior Plus, Digistore24, make sure you create a landing page so your link is not going to be blocked on Pinterest. So that's why if you can use System.io, you have other platforms where you can build funnels. Do so, create as many landing pages as you need, and put your ads on Pinterest. And as well, I just wanted to mention that Pinterest is very powerful. It's like YouTube, but for images. So when people are looking on internet, if they look for a subject or whatever, like the results on Pinterest are going to come up as well. And you'll get a lot of traction on your offers. So I recommend Pinterest if you want to create a passive income. And that's it for now. And if you want to learn more ways to make money online, I recommend two courses that I took, and they taught me so much that I can only say good things about them. So the first one I took was the 15-day challenge by Legendary Marketer. It's $7 and it takes 15 days, of course, to complete the challenge. You will learn a lot on this course. And the second one I took was the 3-day challenge, uh, Freedom Breakthrough, and it's a 3-day challenge. It will teach you a lot as well, but more focused on just affiliate marketing. So $7 also, and I will leave the links below if you're interested. Just go have a look. See you.